They lied. 100% they lied. Hi everyone, welcome back to Slate Secrets YouTube channel. In this video, we are reviewing a Bobbi Boss wig. This wig is a part of their First Class Hair Glueless Lace Wig Premium Synthetic Collection. The wig we are reviewing today is named Reagan. You can find this wig at your local beauty supply store, online, and maybe if she's cute, we will add her to slatesecrets.com. So without further ado, let's check out this wig. Alright, let's get started. Here is the tag for this wig. This is the front side. 13x4 lace. Yeah, we are definitely going to validate that. And this is the back side of the tag. The first topic is initial shedding. I'm going to do my usual comb through. So this wig does have shedding. I don't know if you can see that. It's a good amount of hair, basically. So this wig does shed. We have a shedder, so something to know. The next topic is smell. This wig smells like a brown paper bag. It smells just like the packaging that it's been sitting in. So it doesn't smell bad to me, but it does have a smell which is a brown paper bag. Something to know, if you don't like the smell of brown paper bags, that's what it smells like. So kudos to not being funky. Okay, kudos. Tangles, as you can see, I am not having any issues combing my fingers through this hair. This wig is definitely tangle free, so kudos to that. Texture, now you can definitely tell that this wig is synthetic hair. It feels very cool to the touch. It is soft, it is smooth. Now, it is also very thick. Like, combing my fingers through this wig is thick, okay? Thick. So, this is a lot of hair. Like this is a very generous amount of hair. So I would have to say this is almost touching 150 density. It has to be. It has to be. This is thick. So I'm with it. You know I love thick hair just as much as I love curls. So kudos to that. Okay? Along with the thickness, we have volume. Definitely great volume for this wig. The hair is moving nicely and smoothly, and so much body for this wig, you know. She definitely has great volume. As far as the hair ends look good. The hair ends are not dry. They're pretty smooth. The hair ends are also layered into a style. They did a great job maintaining this wig, so kudos to that. As for pattern, this is definitely a super loose wave. Like, it's not your classic loose wave. It's like a looser wave, like loose wave. Barely loose wave, you know. This is straight hair that they put subtle waves in, you know. It's cute. It's absolutely stunning. That's the best way I can describe it. The next topic is true to length. Bobbi Boss does not disclose the length of the hair for this wig. We can go ahead and measure the estimate length for this wig. Listen, baby girl is long, okay? Long. So we're going to do our best over here to get a good enough measurement. I have the measuring tape starting where the lace frontal ends. Listen, this wig reaches 30 inches hanging freely, okay? She's so long, I cannot get her all in the frame. So she is approximately 30 inches long. Baby girl is tall, okay? And I'm here for it. I'm 100% here for it. You see that? Can't make that up. We cannot make that up. Baby girl is long, okay? She is long and tall. Kudos to that. Let's go ahead and talk about the wig structure. So here we have the front of the lace for this wig. Let's show you the hairline. So here we have the hairline. Let's show you the right side of the wig. This is the right side of the wig. The hairline is pre-plucked. You actually can customize the hairline for this wig even further if you'd like. But this is what you have at baseline. Not bad. They did not give much baby hair as far as I can see. This may mean that you will have to take away some of the hair from the hairline to create baby hair. I prefer not to do that. Let's go ahead and turn to the center. See, in the center here is where you see most of the baby hair, right? And let's go to the left side of the wig. Very similar to the right. You can customize it if you'd like. You got something to work with for sure. But if I am being honest, they should have provided a lot more baby hair. So let's go ahead and take a look at the inner structure for this wig. So this is the front of the wig. You have the lace with 2 wig clips in the front of the wig. Now, Bobbi Boss says that this wig is a 13x4 lace. They are a lie. Like, this is not a classic 13x4 lace. No, this is basically a 5-inch deep part with a hairline that you can customize. So we can go ahead and measure to see what you have at baseline, but this is what you get. This is not no classic 13x4. They lied so hard. That's not cool. So the parting space is in fact 4 inches deep. My camera does not want to cooperate and clear up, but it is 4 inches deep. From the middle part, it's about 3.5 inches. To the bottom area, it is about 5. And then on the side, it's almost an inch. Almost an inch. Not quite an inch, but almost an inch. So this is the left side, and this is the right side, almost an inch. But besides that, that is the front of the wig. Let's go ahead and flip to the back. So this is the back of the wig cap. It's fully netted. And as you can see on the bottom of the wig cap, they give you 1 wig clip with 2 drawstrings and many belt loops to adjust the cap size. Here's a close-up of that. Okay, so that is pretty much it for this wig. Let's go ahead and try this wig on. Okay guys, so I have the wig on, and the first thing that I absolutely must share. She is not big head friendly. This wig cap barely fits on my head, okay? Not everything is making it in the wig cap. Like, it's not big head friendly, and that kind of breaks my heart, you know. And then I don't like the middle part style. I mean, I tried playing with it, moving it to the side. I guess it looks somewhat better. I don't know. I've never been a fan of middle parts. I just feel like it doesn't suit my face. But I don't know about Reagan. I don't know. I think this color for this wig is absolutely beautiful, but as far as how it is structured and styled, you know, definitely have some work to do with the styling. And this cap is fairly transparent. Like, you can see my nude wig cap right here and my hair, like my actual hair from my scalp. You can see the black right here. So that lets you know that this wig does not fit my head. That's like, it's out there, okay? It's out there. This wig has so much potential, but it kind of missed the bus. 100% missed the bus. I had high hopes for this wig, and I can't front. I'm a bit disappointed. So she definitely, the style looks similar to the model, but you let me know, because sometimes I might be a little bit more harsh on myself. If you see the potential and the beauty, let me know. You know, sometimes my eyes deceive me. My eyes don't work so well. Sometimes things have to grow on me, but it's very unfortunate that this wig is not big head friendly. Like, we would have something to work with if it actually fit my head, you know. But definitely having to style this, I feel like you got some work to do for sure. So overall, I am rating this wig a 7 out of 10. Losing 1 point because it does shed. Losing a 2nd point because it is not big head friendly. And then losing a 3rd point because I do not like the structure of this wig. I don't. It's like, it's killing me right now. I don't like it. Bobbi Boss lied about it being a true 13x4 lace. Like, look at this false advertisement. Like, come on. The cap size did not look like this. Like, the lace did not look like this. Like, what is this advertising? Like, this is a whole lie. You understand? So I have to take a point for that. See, right there. Boom. I think that, how I look right here, is pretty. So she's starting to grow on me, but still, I said what I said. I mean what I say, okay? They lied, 100% they lied. So that's how I feel. That's exactly how I feel. Will I be adding this to SlateSecrets.com? I'm going to leave this decision to you guys. Normally, I'm like, I'll go ahead and add it. But this one, I don't know. I don't know, friend. But if you want to get hands on this wig and you are absolutely 100% in love, definitely reach out and I will see what colors are available and we can go ahead and get you the color that you want to buy, okay? So let me know what you think down in the comments. Let me know if you want this wig. Let me know if this wig should be added to slatesecrets.com. All that, okay? Okay, so now that I'm wearing it for a longer period of time, the style is starting to grow on me. She is. She definitely is. I don't know. I told y'all sometimes my eyes be bugging out, and then, you know, you're your biggest critic. So that is all for this video. I hope that it was helpful. Give this video a thumbs up and comment down below in the comments if you have any questions. Also, let me know if you think that I should add this wig to my store, slatesecrets.com. I'm really not sure if I want to add this wig to my current wig collection available for sale. But by all means, if you like this specific wig and you feel like this wig is completely for you because you fell in love with it or whatever, I can definitely add this wig to my store upon request. And I can for sure let you know what colors this wig is available in. You know I got you. And be sure to subscribe to Slate Secrets YouTube channel for more wig reviews. And until next time, I will see you in the next video. Bye!